Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
गोंयकार अधर्मी आनी तेंका तुमी ती अधर्माचे सकून तुमी धर्माच्या मार्गाचेर हाडपाचे 4 दीस जाले तेंचे कडल्यान ब्र येना कांयच उलयना सो ताबडतोब तांणी गोंयकारांची माफी मागची.
काँग्रेस स्वतंत्रताय संग्रामाचेर जागृताय करून 3 आणि 5 किलोमीटर मॅरेथॉनाचो प्लान करता.
तो प्रदेश में भाई गिरीश जी के नेतृत्व में कार्यक्रम होगा जिसके लिए हमारे दूसरा फ्रंटल मदद करेगी और ये प्रोग्राम एक बहुत बड़े स्तर पे होगा और पूरे देश में मैसेज दिया जाएगा जहां 10,000 पार्टिसिपेंट्स का हमने सोचा कि कम से कम उतने होने चाहिए. परमिशन दिए हैं, गिरीश जी उसके ऊपर वर्किंग कर रहे हैं.
उमेदवारीचे दावेदार घेवन काँग्रेसीच्यो गोंयभर ब्लॉक पावण्यार बसका चल्ल्यात. बाणावले उमेदवारीचे कोफुसांव नवो एंट्रंट मिकी आड आदल्या एडविनाचे दावे.
All the committee members who had selected my name, but then there were few of them not even members. They even without a member also somebody else given a name proposed, but that's okay. There is no complaint as such.
And the block members of Benaulim had put my name as a candidate because me being loyal to the party over the years, even though last year the ticket maga last minute delay and there was no time reaching to the people. And if today the party gives me the ticket, I'll work for the party.
Because it's not a small margin. Even if he's second, okay, and the winner, there's a gap of 5,800. So that 5,800 who have capacity to take over that vote, people of Benaulim will decide. And I know that people of Benaulim with Micky Pacheco